Okay? Are you excited? You want to earn using your Facebook account while you're staying at home. So this webinar is for you. So welcome to the new wave the new wave of building wealth and asset in the new era of virtual entrepreneur. That's powered by Solarian's Empire Community and MSI Digital System. So this MSI Digital System is the one to help you to earn money using your social media account. You have TikTok, you have a Facebook, you have Instagram, you can use that to earn money using this MSI digital system. So if you're ready, so let me explain to you, or let me explain to you more deeper about this system. Okay, so let's go. So again, if you finish this webinar until the end, you can get a lot of bonus. So what you're gonna do is finish this webinar until the end, because and the end of the webinar, we giving you a lot of bonuses and discounts. So if you want to start in the lower price in this platform, later on, I give you a lot of discount the moment you finish the presentation. Can you comment down below if you're first timer to our Zoom? This is your first time to attend. If this is your first time to attend, you have a lot of discount and bonuses the moment you want to start this platform. So, webinar reminder. So, again, if you're looking for a job, this is not job offer for you. Okay, this is a business. And again, reminders, respect each other. Remember that cybercrime is criminal offense. Okay? This is not for lazy people for get quick rich scheme. So if you want to reach in one night only, this is not for you. Okay? Observe professional ethics and make sure to have a good connection. And for me, I advise you to use earphones or headset for you the best experience for this webinar so you can hear my voice clearly. Okay? Again, you must finish the webinar until the end to qualify to our bonuses and discount. Okay po? Yeah. So, this webinar is for you if you are one of those people who want to change in life but you don't know how to start. So this webinar is for you. Why? We're giving you idea how you can start changing your life. Okay, this webinar is for you. If you are also one of those people looking for a way to make life easier. So if your life is very hard right now for you and you want to make your life easier, this webinar is for you. Okay, this webinar is for you if you are one of those people looking for side hustle because you're not earning enough from your current job. So if you're looking for extra income, this webinar is for you. And this webinar is for you if you are a seasonal worker or working abroad and who wants to be with your family. You want to reunite with your family again. So this webinar is for you. And the most of all, you are no longer sacrificing time for your family. So if you want to reunite again for long term to your family in your homeland, this webinar is for you if you're working abroad or a seasonal worker. So what you're gonna learn in this webinar is powerful that help you to make money using your social media account. By the way, let me introduce myself first. My name is Coach Mark Manaog, and I'm your speaker for today. And this is me when I'm starting the business at the age of 21 years old. And this is my transformation when I'm starting the business. So, yeah. So, at the age of 23 years old, I mentioned that I start my business at the age of 21. After 2 years doing the business, 3 years doing the business, 2 years, I mean, 2 years doing the business, I get my first $1 million in this platform using this MSI digital system. At the age of 25 years old, 2 years again, I'm become part of top 500 of our company. Imagine that. Our company have almost 25 million members and I'm the one of top 500 earning enough or getting good income using this MSI digital system. In the same time, I awarded as global ambassador and as you know, Millionaire Circle also using this online platform. And again, I enjoy my life. I can travel. I can go anywhere because I have a time freedom. Yeah. And I enjoy my income because I have time to enjoy my money. Okay. And also I meet the owner of our company, the BOD, the president, Dr. Ed Cabantog, the reason why a lot of people is changed their life from ordinary to extraordinary people. Okay? So again, this is one of my teams and members from different countries. We have team from Africa, we have team from Philippines, from local, and I awarded also to from our team. Yeah. So we have a lot of partners here in the Philippines. They young, they are from different background, from employee, from business, from different background, but right now we have one vision and one goal. So that the vision is to help people to learn more about this platform. Okay, so if you are really interested in this platform, again, if you want to change your life, you are in the right community. You are in the right webinar. So again, thank you for attending to our webinar for today. And I'm happy to share with you all the details or all my knowledge about this online platform. Again, reminder, finish the webinar until the end. Are you ready to have secure online income so you can enjoy or you can live your dream life? Are you ready? Can you comment down below if you're ready? Yeah, comment below. I'm ready. If you're ready to have a secure income online. Okay? So what you're gonna learn or what you're gonna discover in this webinar? Lesson number 1, I discussed how our powerful products help you to recover in any sicknesses. Yes, we have a powerful products that can help you. Now, lesson number 2, how this online platform help you to have a financial freedom. So if you are a people that you want a financial freedom, that you don't need to worry anymore about the bills and payments, you are in the right webinar. Lesson number 3, how will you get your income in this online platform? Of course, I discussed to you how you can withdraw or how you can get your income in this platform. Okay? So again, this webinar is for you if you want a consistent income, additional income online. Okay, this webinar is for you if you want to quit to your 9 to 5 job or you want to quit from rat race cycle and make money. Okay, this webinar is for you if you want to build a financial wealth to secure your family future without waiting retirement. If you want to retire young and you want to enjoy your life and you want to prepare for the future of your family, this webinar is for you. Okay, coaches, are you ready? So again, we are connected with a strong and stable company. The name of our company is Empowered Consumerism. Empowered Consumerism started last 2006. And last Sunday, this month, June 9, we celebrate our 18 years anniversary. A lot of people are attending in that event last Sunday. Almost 50,000 people attend in that event last day. And a lot of people, a lot of distributor or members awarded as a Millionaire Circle also. And you know, we have a guest from different country. Last Sunday, in our team, we have guests from Vanuatu Island who working in Australia right now or is already full-time doing this business. And last Sunday, this person is attend to our webinar. To our event, 18 years anniversary. So if you want to come here in the Philippines also in the next anniversary and you want to attend to our anniversary and become the top 500, you gonna be a serious in this platform. Okay? So we have already 200 offices, branches in the Philippines. And also, we created 25,000 millionaires for the past 18 years. Okay? And we already expanded in 29 countries. By the way, our company is created from the Philippines. The owner of our company is Filipino, is from the Philippines. but we are expanded our business from Africa continent, from Middle East, Asia, and South Pacific. Why? We have office in Papua New Guinea, we have office in Solomon Island, we have offices in Africa, we have office in Hong Kong, Taiwan, Singapore, we have office in Dubai and Kuwait. So that's our company is very expanded in different countries. And this year, we opening office in New Zealand. Okay? And don't worry, if you don't have office in your country, we still do the business. Why? Because our business is online. So our company, our business is already expanded in 200 countries, but currently we have 29 offices in 29 countries. Are you with me? So our company is legal and legit. Why? Because our company is awarded as top 12 taxpayer in the Philippines. Yes, we paying tax. You heard right. We paying tax in the Philippines. And the same time, brother and sister, we have over 15 million distributor around the globe. Imagine, for the past 18 years, we created 15 million distributor around the globe. Okay? So we provide health and wellness insurance protection products. So these are building here in Cebu. These are event that we gathering. These as you see, the plug of Solomon Island and Singapore and Japan. And we have a lot of partners also from different countries. Okay, are you with me? Are you learning, coaches? So again, our company is awarded, mention of our late President Rodrigo Duterte. Yeah, if you know our president in the Philippines, right? So what is the requirements for you to start in this platform? What is the requirements that you need? Number one is mobile phone. If you have mobile phone, you are already qualified in this platform. Number two is laptop. Number three is Wi-Fi or data connection. So as long as you have cell phone, you have laptop, and you have internet, you can start online business using this MSI digital system. So I know you have mobile phone right now because you watching me in your mobile phone. I know you have data or Wi-Fi right now because you cannot attend in this webinar if you don't have Wi-Fi or data connection. So Wi-Fi and data connection is essential nowadays. Okay, and mobile phone also. So it means you're already qualified to our system. You can start your business right away. Okay, so you learn here how to earn money through your smartphone without having technical skills or any experience. So brother and sister, the good news is you don't need experience to start your business using MSI digital system. You don't need skills to start this platform. Why? It's online. Okay? It's online. So we give you step by step or guide the moment you start in this platform. Okay, coaches? So MSI digital system is a home-based business. So it means you can do your business inside of your home. You don't need to leave your family to make money using this MSI digital system. You can do this MSI digital system inside of your home. Number two, this is a commission base. Means you are the one to decide how much do you want to earn. If you want to earn $1,000 in one day, you can do that. Yes, because this is a commission base. So you are the one to decide how much do you want to earn. Number three, portable. It's very portable. Any place is your workplace. So yeah, you are in the coffee shop, you can do your business. You are in the beach, you can do your business. You are in the vacation, you can do your business. Even you are in the CR, comfort room, you can do your business. That's how portable our business. Okay? Copy paste system. All script is provided. So the moment you start in this platform, we giving you the system. Okay, the system. You don't need to think what you need to do. Why? Because the system is already here. It's already prepared for you. What you're gonna do is plug in the system. Okay? That's the MSI digital system. So what you're gonna get after starting this platform? So what you're gonna get? if you want to start this platform, number one, you get a products worth of $408. So coach, what is the products that I can get? We have the food supplement products. So this is the products that you can get. We have a different products for you, prepared for you. Yeah. So let me explain to you very quickly every products. We have complete products, Phyto Energizer. That's good for high blood pressure. That's good for also for from small sicknesses until stage 3 cancer. Okay, it's good for stroke. Yeah, that's the complete products. It's good for also to pregnant women. Yeah, so that's a complete products is high protein. So it's good for women have a baby already, right? So also good for migraine. So if you're experiencing migraine, complete Phyto Energizer is good for you also. Okay, and also we have the C Supreme product. C Supreme is vitamin C. That's help you to boost your immune system. Okay, and if you know, if you have a good if you have a strong immune system, your body is protected from all viruses. So that's the ascorbic acid or C Supreme. That C Supreme is not ordinary vitamin C. That's more effective than ordinary vitamin C. Okay, because that's a ascorbic acid. That's combination with food supplement and synthetic products is more effective for our body. And also we have the Burn Slim. Do you want to be a sexy? Do you want if you are man that going to the gym and you want to have a muscle, this Burn Slim is good for you. So we have a Burn Slim products. If you want a sexy body, when you're going to the beach, you can wear your bikini. Burn Slim is good for you. Okay? So if you want to have a sexy body, that's Burn Slim is good for you. We have also Angel E products. Angel E products is good for women only. Okay? It's for women only. If you're suffering from dysmenorrhea, this Angel E is for you. And if you have a friend or if you know people that they are married for so very long time and they don't have the kids because they have problem about the, this Angel E and combination of complete products can help to make a baby. Of course, you need a partner. Okay, don't forget that you need a partner to make a baby. Okay, so I'm joking. So this is that's a reality. Okay, so also you get iGlow 24/7. iGlow 24/7 is collagen peptide. That's the fish collagen. Is 7 times higher absorption rate than ordinary collagen. Okay, so collagen iGlow is good also for bones. Okay, it's good also for if you want look younger. And when we are young, as you see, the children there is very young, they have a lot of collagen in their body. But when you're going to older, your collagen in your body is going down. That's why you need to drink a food supplement products to gain more collagen and to look younger. And as you know, that the name is iGlow, so you can glow in the dark, right? So that's iGlow. So it's a 30,000 milligram collagen per box and 6,000 milligram collagen per sachet. You can mix that in your coffee and any drinks that you want. Okay. Also, we have the Coolidus products, omega-3. If you are suffering from high blood and heart disease, this Coolidus products is good for you. It's good also for the eyesight. Okay. So if you want to improve your eyesight, this Coolidus is good for you also. And the good news is this a fish oil. Fish oil means it's more effective because the moment you drink this collagen, is a gel. So the moment you drink that, in just seconds, it's already melt in your body. It's already effective in your body. Okay. Also, we have the Kiddy 24/7, the 24/7 for the kids. Okay. If you have kids that don't want to eat vegetables, this is good for your kids. That's multivitamins already. You have Chok Chok Glow. That's a soap. So that's combination with iGlow products that we have. And also, if you want glass skin like Koreans, right? So if you want like that, this eye glow is good for you. And we have deep cleansing whitening bar if you want to control your pimples. Yeah. So we have this product, just charcoal and papaya. Okay, are you with me? So coaches, again, you get oxygen bar. That's a soap also from Japan. And also we have the new products, okay, presented by Empowered Consumerism, of course. We have these Supreme products. Okay, these are very new products that we have. This Supreme is one of the very effective D Supreme right now. Why? This is a vitamin D3, not only D Supreme. Okay, this more effective than ordinary vitamin D. Okay, better than plant vitamin D3. So this is a 1000 IU, and the same time this is a fish oil already. Why you need to drink a vitamin D? Vitamin D, because the vitamin D is need your body. Okay, and also we have energy products. This for anti-radiation. You can put at the back of your phone, your laptop, or your TV. So that's the products that you can get. Again, coaches, these all the products that you can get after you start in this platform. And after you start, you get automatic the package, and you can receive that after 5 to 7 days in your country. We ship your mentor and your sponsor is shipped to you via DHL, and you can get that. Okay? Can you comment down below what the products that you want? Okay? Can you comment down below? Or you want all? Okay? So, this is the testimony of one of our partners already tried the products. See, this brother, this survivor from dengue, okay? So, that's a dengue testimony complete phyto energizer. He used the complete products, okay? As you read is last week he was confined in the hospital due to dengue. He should observe for 3 days beside his first day because of decreasing in his I don't know how to pronounce that. I only thought in one thing when talking about dengue. With the help of AIM Global Complete Phyto Energizer, these products along with prescription, his increased quickly, and he was discharged immediately after 2 days. So imagine that. That's how powerful our products, complete products. Okay, so that's a very effective product that we have. Also, we have testimony from Micronesia, this Sister Tristan. So watch this video.
Was very sore, numb, and heavy. I think that was since 2019. So it's been years. I hardly dress myself, hardly fix my hair, and also hardly hold stuff in my right hand. I can never lift up, even the lightest thing to hold the camera. I was suffering for years from diabetes in my right hand. So when this guy introduced this product to me, September 2021, I pray to God. I ask God, if this is the treatment for my sickness to heal, please let me take this. Even though I know I cannot afford it. That's when I received this product. I start taking it. Within the 2 weeks of taking this 24/7, I went to my doctor's appointment to check on my blood sugar again. Next day, my doctor called and said, I'm so happy for you. You get to know how to control and maintain your blood sugar. It's because of C24/7. My diabetes went back to normal. My blood sugar went back to normal. He said it's going to 127 minutes. Also, after 2 weeks of taking this drug, I get to lift up my right hand. The soreness, the numbness, and the heaviness was gone. Now I can lift up my hand. You can see it, but before I cannot. So, friends and families, whoever been suffering for all kinds of sickness, diabetes, cancer, high blood pressure, whatever sickness you have, C24/7 can cure.
Wow, that's very powerful testimony. You know that's suffering from diabetes and also stroke. So that's a very powerful testimony. So you must try this product, okay? And we have another one testimony from PG Island.
Bulabinaka. My name is Salome Giftamata. I'm Fijian. I live in Australia. I was sick. I got cancer, lung cancer, was stage 4. Then I got the products for Golden Company. I received that product, then I have it. I got this product, I have it, and this one for my cancer. Then I went today to see the doctor for cancer. They said I got 4 full scan. The cancer is gone, but I'm happy to have a product from Golden Company. I can't wait to receive some more products for my sickness. You can see me now. My hair is growing. I look different. I'm all right now. I get healthy now, get strong. I can do anything else, but only this product is make me good for my health. I have this one, and this for my cancer. For the cancer, I got it in my life. Yes, this for the cancer, I got it in my life. This one, you can see what is already done. What is there already done in there, and everything is helped to me in my cancer. Bone, head, blood, everything. My lung, you can see this, my certificate for my cancer. But I can't leave this product. I'm gonna have it. I can't give it to anybody because I know it's good for my health and my life. Thank you so much, the company. Thank you, Joanne, Guy, my mentor, for sending me the product. That's how I have today. Gonna get health again. I'm gonna a young girl again because I have a product to help myself. It's going the sick I got. Thank you so much. Thank you for the company too.
Yes, if you want to young girl again, yeah, that's products good for you. As you see, the product is complete and see 24/7 products. So it's very powerful testimony from our coach from Fiji Island, Coach Salome. Yeah. So you must try the products that we have. That's very powerful products. So again, it's already included in your package. The moment you decide to start this online platform, is already included in your package. If you're already member and you try the products, comment down below your experience about the products that we have. Okay? Again, if you enjoy the products and you want to buy again, this is the good news. You have exclusive discount to our company. You can get a 25% discount up to 30% discount of every product that you can get. The moment you part of the system, you start the system, you are exclusive. You have exclusive discount for every product that you want to buy it. Okay? And also you have income. 25% income of every product that you want to sell it. Okay, are you with me? Yeah. So also, the moment you start in this platform, what you're gonna get, you get also a website or digital account that you can see your income. You can see your transaction. So you got this username and password. So you can get a own username and password. What you're gonna do is go to our easy5.empoweredconsumerism.com. So you can see this first page and you can put your username and password that your mentor gave it to you. So the moment you open your account, you can see the platform or the digital account that you can monitor your income and your team also. And also what you're gonna get, you get MSI scripts. Again, what I mentioned to you after you start this platform, we have already a system for you. You don't need to think what you need to do. Why? We have already scripts for you. We teach you every step that you need to do. And also we have a 30 days content templates for you. we giving you what you need to post in your social media accounts after planning. So yes, you heard right. After you start this business, we give you a planning and programs that you need to follow for you to earn in this platform. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, and also we have a modules and trainings. And yeah, we educate people also in terms of this business. So again, we giving you a training and modules that you need to learn for you to maximize your social media accounts. So after you start in this business, we guide you completely 100% after your start. Okay? So if you don't know what you need to do, no worries. We are here to support you 100% until you get your success in this platform. And also we have MSI digital ecosystem that everybody can help you. Thousand of my partners, thousand of our team can help you in this platform for you to be successful. So we are family in this platform. Okay? So these the people, by the way, these the people who already received the packages. Yeah, from different countries. You see that? So you see a lot of people from different countries. This is the sample only. But we have a lot of people already received their packages. I have here Brother Bilyame from Nadi, PG Island, received the package last 5 days ago. And last day, I ship another package bound to Nadi. And this coming Wednesday, tomorrow, is arrived in Nadi, PG Island. And this is my partner, Coach Salome Kulata. This is my partner, Coach Kala from Labasa, PG Island. And this is my partner from New Zealand. So we have a lot of partners from different countries who received the packages already. So this is the proof that after you start the business, after you pay, we ship your package. And these people, they take a picture to prove that they received the package. Okay, are you with me? Yeah. So, okay, these the people already received the package. This brother
Hi, team.
Apisai
So I'm just
from
here to
PG
confirm that
Island
I've just
and this
received these
sister
products from
already
the
received the
Philippines.
package
Thank you
also.
for having
So
faith
watch
in
this
me
video.
and to allow me to be part of your digital online business journey. Can't wait to explore more about these products and what the online digital platform has to offer. Once again, thank you, AIM Global and Empower Consumerism. Thank you, coaches. Can't wait to explore and to know more. Vinaka.
Yes. So that sister already received the package. Okay. So you want to receive your package also? Yeah, comment down below if you want to receive your package. So this is what you need to start earning in this platform, to earn a commission. You need is a user ID. Okay, this is the user ID. As you see in your screen, that ED320763, that user ID. So the moment you buy the package, this user ID is already included in your package. So that's what you need to register in our system. So if you have this, we can register you, your name, your benefits, your beneficiary. So again, you can put beneficiary of your family member the moment you start this platform. So it means you can transfer your membership fee to your family member also the moment you pass away, because our business is a lifetime business. Okay? So user ID, this is what you need to start earning commission. If you don't have this, you cannot earn a commission in this platform. So how you can get that? Later on, I explain to you how you can get the user ID. And also, this the look like of your platform or digital account the moment you start or you have a user ID. So you can see your income, you can see all the details here, your dashboard, your transactions, encashment. Yeah. So we discussed this part the moment you start this online platform. Okay. So the people already earn money from this platform. This Coach Bet from, I think from PG Island, but he stay in other country, earning right now 20,230 pesos using this online platform in one day. And this my brother from PG Island, Brother Asiri, earning 11,400 in one day only. And this my brother from PG Island again, from Suba, earning 6,800 PG dollar in just one day. So that's the people already earn in this platform. And also we have partners from Nadi PG Island earning 2,450 PG dollar sa Coach Salome Kulata from Nadi. And this brother earning 4,949 PG dollar and 7,203 PG dollar. And this brother Kilipi Kulata earning 1,700 PG dollar is a head teacher from Labasa. And also we have partners from Kiribati Island earning 529 Australian dollar. We have from New Zealand earning 664 Australian dollar. So maybe your question right now is how they earn money, what they do to earn money. Right now, we're going to the second topic, how you can earn money in this platform. Are you excited? Do you want to earn money? Of course you want, because if you don't want, you're not here. So if you want to earn money, let me explain to you how these people, they earning money using this MSI digital system. And let me explain to you what's your job after you start this online platform. Okay? So this is the 4-step system. It's only 4-step system. Yes, you heard right. It's only 4 steps for you to earn money in this online platform. Number 1, join in the business. Okay? Then after that, we explain to you how you can earn money. I mean, how you can do that. So, and what's your job? Okay? So your job here is setting appointment. What's the mean of setting appointment? Getting people and invite them to our pre-webinar like this. By the way, we have webinar every Thursday, every Tuesday and Thursday. So this is a continuously. It is a support for you as you start in this platform. And your job only is setting appointment. You set appointment to our pre-webinar every Tuesday and Thursday. So for the business presentation or one-on-one presentation about this system. Okay, step number 3. If your client is a build the system, okay, your client is supposed to be to build the system or build the package for you to earn a commission. Step number 4, the last step is earning commission. How much? $89 per people, or $178 per people, or $356 per people, or $533 per people. Take note, this is unlimited income. Remember, it's unlimited income. You can earn as you want. Okay, as long as you want. As I mentioned to you, this unlimited income. You are the one to decide how much do you want to earn. Okay? And also you have bonus if you get 2 people. Okay, let me explain to you more clearly, more deeper explanation. Okay, so the moment you start in this platform, apply the 4-step system, as I mentioned to you. Okay, so this is you. And the good news is, the moment you start in this platform, you get another 2 accounts for free. Okay, for free, another 2 accounts. Supposed to be you pay only is 1 account. But the moment you start this platform, right today, you get another 2 accounts for free. Okay, so this is you. And this is account number 2, and this is your account number 3. In your account, in your system, in our system, by the way, we have left sales group and right sales group. Okay, and 1 people equal $89. That's direct income. Okay, so the moment you get 1 people, you earn $89. Let's say you get 4 people. This 1, 2, 3, and 4. You get 4 people. How much you earn? 89 times 4, how much? That's $356. This is the good news. If you get 1 people in left and 1 people in right, you earn another $32 as a bonus. As I mentioned to you, you have left sales group and you have right sales group. You have this is your first account, this is your main account. You have this your left, you have 2 people, 1 and 2. This is your right side, you have 2 people, 1 and 2 means 32 times how much? Times 2. Am I right? Yes, $32, $32, how much? Bonus income, $64. You already earned $356. you have another income of $64. And the good news is, this is you again. You have another left and right, this one and one, you earn another how much? $32. And account number 3 again, another $32. How much you earn right now in your bonus? 64 plus $32 plus $32, how much? That's total of $128. This is only a bonus, brother and sister. Only a bonus. You get 4 people, you earn already $356. You have bonus of $128. Means $356 plus $128. How much? How much? Compute. Total of how much? $484. You get only how many people? 4 people. If you are from PG Island, that's 1,100 PG dollar in your currency. In US dollar, that's $484. In 4 people only, remember that. And remember, this is unlimited income. It means you can get more people, more income. Do you want that? Okay, let me explain to you. If you get 10 people, you earn how much? $1,178. If you get 20 people, you earn $2,420. If you get 30 people, you earn $3,598. If you get 40 people, you earn how much? $4,840. If you get 50 people, you earn how much? $5,698. And how many friends that you have in your Facebook? Maybe you have 1,000 friends. Maybe you have 2,000 friends. Maybe you have 3,000 friends in your Facebook. What we need only is 50 people. 50 people, you earn how much? $5,698. Okay? And that's continuously growing. Why? The moment you complete your first level and second level, your income is continuously growing and coming to your account, $89, $32, $32, unlimited, brother and sister. Do you want that? Do you want to earn unlimited $32, $32, $32 coming to your account, $32, and you can withdraw every week using our ATM Mastercard? Okay? And these are people from the Philippines who earn money using this online platform. This Coach Glisel Largado, 19 years old, earning 150,000 pesos, 6-digit income. This Coach Fatima Tinoy, 18 years old, earning 120,000 pesos. This Jam Barquilla, earning 90,000 pesos. This Alin Capistrano, our speaker last week, 106,000 pesos. Last day. This Coach Daisy, earning 180,000 pesos. This Isa Rayos, earning 450,000, almost half of the million, right? And this Sister Lebet Ampere, earning 80,000 pesos using this online platform. And a lot of more. Principal, DepEd principal for 19 years, teacher for 3 years, teacher for 3 years, earning half of the million peso in the Philippines. Imagine that. From different background, from different walk of life, right now, they earning a lot of money using this online platform. And this is me, by the way, Mark Manaog, earning 540,000 pesos in 1 month only using this online platform. Okay? So I'm from factory worker, ordinary people, earning 15,000 pesos a month last 10 years ago. But right now, I earned 540,000 in 1 month only. Imagine that, right? So if you want to earn money using this online platform, what you're gonna do? Later on, I explain to you. Okay? These are partner from Papua New Guinea, earning 2,200 Fiji dollar, $1,180. So as you see, a lot of people is earning in this platform. So what are you waiting for? Start right now your business. Okay? How you can get your income? We have a weekly payout system. Okay, weekly payout system using your ATM Video Mastercard. I have partner from PG Island, from Suba. This brother is earning $350 in 1 week. But using MSI digital system, right now, this brother Asiri earning only $350 in one day. Do you want that? Right? Using BDO MasterCard, brother Asiri withdraw this ATM.
10,400. Okay, we can click the in cash. 10,400. And then we can click your video ATM. So we can click the in cash. So as you can see, that's your account number. So we can proceed.
A few moments later.
Anggaran withdraw alak ng gorna cash gurin beda jengor gona mateng no withdraw na video Mastercard abal gona no withdraw la mangani with a minute sauti allora chona kene video liu obe tomandang di kimni gona labo datani na video Mastercard obe barata kalani di kimni misenga di kalau stake ni kandina senga tangan ni scam e kandina sa vani ni binagten sa kalungata ningi badeng tok pinabali.
Sorry, that's only 1 week, sister, brother and sister. And brother Siri is withdrawing money again this week using BDO MasterCard. So that's the proof that people is withdrawing their income using this BDO MasterCard. Okay, brother Siri is a former what's called that, a pacemaker. And right now he's working as a driver in PG Island. Okay, so again we have another partner from PG Island. Okay, sister Beth. Okay, withdraw also her income using this MSI digital system.
This is my second withdrawal in using this BDO MasterCard from this AIM Global Alliance business. Thank you, AIM Global. This is for my land. Come on, everyone, come and join me. This is legit.
Yeah, that's legit. Coach Beth said, right? So, and these people, some people from different country withdraw their income also using using BDO MasterCard. Okay. So, then we have another partners from PG Island.
Thank you, AIM Global and
withdrawing income also. Yeah.
Group for this business.
And we have also from Australia, this brother withdrawing income also using BDO MasterCard. And this brother also withdrawing income, second withdrawal using BDO MasterCard. So as you see, a lot of people is already withdraw their income using this BDO MasterCard. So again, let me remind to you what you're gonna get after you start this online platform. Number 1, products worth of $408 US. Number 2, you get a lifetime discount, 25% to 30%. Number 3, you get a digital account. If we give up amount of that is $500 US. Content and scripts, if you enroll to other platform, you pay $400 for content and scripts. Modules and training, if you get mentors from different platform, you pay maybe $350 US, right? MSI digital system, that's worth of $1,000. If you make your own system, is cost of $1,000 or more, right? ATM MasterCard, we provide for you. Digital system that help you step by step. After you start the platform, what you're gonna do is follow only this step. That's worth of $2,000 if you follow, if you make, or if you make your own system is worth of $2,000 or more. So that's the value of package of the value of the packs that you can get. How much? Total of $4,658 US. So the value of all the package or products that you can get or benefits is $4,658 US. But like I told you, you have a bonus. So you finish my presentation. If you start today, you're so lucky. If you start today, you get a bonus or you get a massive discount. This is a very limited offer only for you. Okay, limited offer only for you. Remember that, limited offer only. Instead, you pay $4,658 US. You don't need to pay that. How much? How much you need to pay? It's only $550 US. You don't need to pay $4,658 US. You need to pay only $550 US. And take note, shipment fee of your package is already included in that amount. You don't need to pay for the shipment fee of your package. Why? Because it's already included in that amount. Again, you don't need to pay $4,658 US today. You pay only how much? $550 US. And again, I'm so grateful, and I want to give you more discount today only. Okay, this unlimited offer for you, brother and sister. You don't need to pay $550. I give you the last offer. How much? I can give you $50 discount, limited time only, today and tomorrow. So if you decide to start today, you pay only is not $550, not $4,658, not $550. It's only $500. Imagine that. You save almost $4,100. Do you want to save $4,100? Start your business today with this MSI digital system, and you get all the benefits that you get, that I mentioned to you: products, system, and the guide, and all you need in this platform for you to be successful in online system is already provided for you. How much? It's only $500 US. Oh, people is chatting me how to send money. How to send money? Okay, I can give you how to send money. How to send your payment? We have MoneyGram. If you are from Australia, New Zealand, Western Union, you can use that. Also bank transfer. You can use also WorldRemit. You can use also PayPal. You can also use Remitly apps or Remitly transfer money. ANC Bank, if you're using ANC Bank. Wise app and SendWave. If you have a credit card right now, let's use your credit card, your Visa card. You have a American Express. Yeah, you can use that. Reserve your slot right now. It's only how much? You get $50 discount. You don't need to pay $4,658. You need to pay only is how much? $500. You don't need to pay $4,658. You don't need to pay $550. You need to pay only is $500 US. Okay? Send your money right now. Mail your coach right now. You want to start the business right now. Mail your coach right now and reserve your slot. Okay? So by the way, these are partners. This is the Solarians Empire community that help you after you start this platform. Our team is very young. They very young, but they earn a lot of money and they have a lot of knowledge in terms of online business. Okay, don't leave. Before you leave, I have a last topic for you. Don't leave, coaches. Okay, don't leave. So I have a last topic for you. Okay, did you know that Netflix earned $25 million without owning theaters? Did you know Uber earned $9.9 billion without owning cars? Did you know Airbnb made $9.9 billion without owning houses or hotels? Did you know DoorDash earned $2.2 billion without owning restaurant? That's called what's that? The sharing economy. Okay? Sharing economy. You don't need a build your own company. You don't need invest a lot of money. You can become a partner of empowered consumerism even without large capital to earn extra income in additional to significant savings. If you want to have a savings, you don't need to put a lot of money to earn $1 million, right? If you you be serious in this platform, you can be, you have a great chance to prosper and you don't need to own anything to make money. Make a lot of money by helping a lot of people. Do you want to help a lot of people? And at the same time, you're earning money. Welcome to the sharing economy. Without owning any products and company, you have potential to earn 6 to 7 digit income. Like this Netflix. You watch Netflix every day, I know, right? You subscribe to Netflix. You pay Netflix, but you're not earning money from that. Uber earning money, $9.9 billion without any cars. Remember that. I'm earning money without owning own products. I earned $12.6 million in this platform without owning any products. I don't have products. I don't have company. I'm not paying tax for my company. My company, our Empowered Consumerism, is the one pay tax for me, right? I don't have products. Products come from the company. Empowered Consumerism is the one to provide about the products, right? I don't own any products. I don't need to think about the products. Why? The company is the one to think for me. And still, I'm earning 6 to 7 digit a month using this online platform. I'm become GE Prime in this platform. Without owning products, without owning company, I'm still earning 6 to 7 digit income. Do you want that? Do you want that? Right? So that's a very powerful. This is a very powerful system that you can apply to your life. Don't miss the opportunity. If you hear these words right now, this no accident. It's no accident. This is the best opportunity for you. Maybe this is the prayer. This is your prayer, and this is the answer prayer for you. Okay? For you to start business, what is the first thing you need to do? I mean, what is the first thing you need for you to start the business? Guess. Money or idea? Okay? What you need, the first thing is not money. Idea. And right now, I'm giving you idea. What is the products? What is the system? We're giving you a system. We're giving you a products for free, included in your package, brother and sister. And you can start your online business that you can expand in different country, not only in your country. Let's say you're from PG Island. Let's say you're from Suba. It's not only in your from country. You can expand your business in different country using this online platform. Are you with me? Right? So, do you want to improve your income? Do you want to improve your income? Okay? Comment down below if you want to improve your income. Right? Comment down below. Oh. If you want to improve your income, so this opportunity is for you. Your 8 to 5 job income is for your expenses and once in life. This means your income from your 8 to 5 job is for your family, maybe for the expenses, for the electricity, for the water, all you needs, all you wants. Your income from that, you provide for your family to survive. Okay? Your 6 to 10. 6 to 10 means your 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. put in one business or source of income, or make something to make money again from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. That income is for your dreams and future for your family. Future of your family. Okay? So that's the mindset of millionaires. Okay? So if you're working from 8 to 5, that's for your family, your income. Right now, if you make another source of income from 6 p.m. to 10 p.m., that income is for your dreams. I know you have dreams. I know you have a lot of wants in life. You want You want a land, you have a new car, you have a house in lot, right? You want a lot of things that you want to improve in your life, right? But who's stopping you? Maybe the money, right? The you know, the budget. The budget's already here is already divided. Okay, so if you want to prepare your future for your family, your 6 p.m. to 10 p.m., put in one source of income to make another source of income. And MSI digital system is good for you. You don't need to put a lot of time in this platform. 6 p.m. to 10 p.m. is enough to start money, to earn 6-digit to 7-digit income using this MSI digital system. Okay, work-based business. In your work, you need to put your hard work. You need to study your job. Put your commitment, of course. Every day you going to the work, going your work. Why? Because if you don't go to your work every day, after one day you don't have work, you're already fired, right? Retire at 60 years old. Okay, age limit. The moment you get the 60 years old, no one can accept you in another job again, right? But in business, yes, you put your hard work also. You need to study your business also. You need to put your commitment also. But I promise to you, you can retire young. Okay, you can retire young. You don't need to wait 60 years old to retire because you are the boss of your own business. That's the difference of work and business. You own the business. In your work, your boss is only the one to make more money, right? And you have a lot of complaint about your work, but every day you go into your job, right? Imagine that. So if you want to start a business, you don't need to leave to your work. You don't need to resign to your work to start a business. You do this business MSI digital system as a part-time. 1 to 3 hours, 4 to 5 hours, do the business. After 6 months, after 1 year, you earn a lot of money. Yes, you can leave your job. You can retire young, and you can still earn a lot of money using this MSI digital system. You're not getting younger anymore. Remember that. You're not getting younger anymore. Brother and sister, how old are you right now? Can you comment down below? How old are you right now? You're not getting younger anymore, right? You're not getting younger. So why you not start the business you always dream of? You have opportunity right now. We're giving you opportunity. If you are already 40 years old, you must start right now. If you are already 50 years old, you must start right now. Okay? You still have a chance to get your dreams. Okay? Me and our teams can help you. You're not getting younger anymore. It's time to start taking up your body and prioritize your health. In our business, we have a good products. We have a good system that provide for you income. We have a good products that provide you a good health. Again, remember this. You're not getting younger anymore. Start your business right now. With MSI digital system, you have a lot of discount. You don't need to pay 4,600. You pay only is how much again? $550. No, it's only $500 because you get another $50 discount. So start your business right now. Okay, coaches, are you with me? So brother and sister, you're not getting younger anymore. Yeah, me, I look young, but I'm already 32 years old. So let's start the business together. Let's work together. If we work together, we succeed together. Okay, coaches? So again, thank you to all our coaches who stay in our webinar today. Yeah,